I want to tell you about this bird that I saw at the beach the other day.
Again with the fowl.
I know we are fowl ladies.
People are gonna think we're like doing the bird theory. Have you seen that?
No.
Like basically it's like, so you would come home from work, let's say, and say like, Matt, I saw this bird today, and you're supposed to like gauge like how he responds to it, if he's like actually interested in the bird or not, or if he's just like, all right, like cool. And it's supposed to like say something about your relationship. Like back, I don't know, probably a year ago now at least, there was this trend going around of like people being like, will you peel this orange for me? And then if the boyfriend was like, hell no, I'm not, like, peel it yourself, then it's like, oh, he's a dick. And then if he would peel it, it'd be like, oh my God, he's so sweet. Like, really, the bar is on the damn floor.